Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, as soon as our consciousness becomes Krishna conscious, the Krishna understands. Krishna is within your heart. Ishara sarvabhutanam nirdesho arjuna tishtati. So Krishna can understand your purpose. We cannot cheat Krishna. Krishna can immediately understand how much serious and sincere you are for understanding Krishna or approaching Him or going back to Him, back to God. That Krishna can understand. As soon as he understands that here is a soul, he is very serious, he takes care of it. Especially, Samoham sarvabhuteshu, Krishna, being the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he is equal to everyone. Samoham sarvabhuteshu, name deshasti na priya. Nobody is dearer or desha or object of jealousy. Krishna is not envious, neither specially inclined to everyone. Actually, God's position is neutrality. Everyone, He likes, for everyone. Suhridam sarvabhutanam, jnattamang shantimicchati. That is also stated in the Bhagavad Gita. He is friend of everyone. We are seeking friendship with so many people to get our motive realized. But if we make Krishna, if we know Krishna is already ready, in the Upanishad it is said that two birds in friendly way is sitting in the same tree, the body. So, if we understand Krishna is my best friend, Krishna says, Sridham Sarvabhutana. He is not only my friend, your friend, but he is a friend of everyone. So, that friendship is equally distributed. But if one becomes special, devotee, jetu bhajanti mang pritya, with love and affection, one who is engaged in the service of the Lord, he is especially inclined to him. That is Krishna's mercy to the devotee. Krishna is equal to everyone, but he is specially inclined to the devotees who is engaged in his service with love and faith. Tesham satatu yuktanang bhajatāng prīti pūrvagam dadāmi buddhi yogam tam jena mam upajanti. Krishna gives it because he specially takes care of the devotee. So everyone's heart, he is sitting. Khetraggan chapi mang vidhi sarva khetrishu bharata. But he takes a special care of the devotee, guides him, gives him intelligence. What kind of intelligence? Jena mam upajanti te. Just to give him the clue how one can go back to home, back to God. Krishna does not give intelligence how one can gain some material prosperity. That is entrusted to the Maya, the Devi Maya, or Durga Devi. Therefore, people are not very much interested in worshipping Krishna. They are generally interested in worshipping Goddess Durga, Lord Shiva, because by worshipping Lord Shiva, Goddess Durga, they get material opulence. So, to worship the demigods means 100% materialism. There is no question of spiritual life. Therefore, Krishna says, what is that verse? Nashta buddha, kamastasta hitagyana, jajanti anna devata. Those who are interested in worshipping other demigods, their intelligence is taken away. Hitagyana, kamastasya, maya aparhitagyana. These terms are there. Maya is working in two ways. Prakhevatmika Shakti, Avarinathmika Shakti. Avaranitka Shakti means she is covering. Avarani Atmika Shakti. She is covering. Real fact is covered by Maya. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.